Welcome to World Blogosphere Tutorials. This tutorial will take you through the posting process on worldblogosphere.com. Under the Post tab in your dashboard, you'll see All Posts, which will show you every post that you've ever made. From here you can edit the post, you can delete the post, or you can view the post. I'm going to click View on this one and open in a new tab. And there is the post. If you wanted to edit it, you'd click there, and it would show you the already populated post. Here's your post title, your permalink, your actual post area. Here's your publishing tools, where you can select the status, the visibility, you can make it private or public. You can change the actual date if you wanted to update a post. Then down here you have the categories that you can select. You can add a new category through here, or there's a better way of doing it, which I'll show you shortly. Then you can add in your post tags right here. Once you type them in, separated by commas, you click add, and then they'll show up down here. If you decide you want to delete one, just click the little red X, and they'll be gone. Down here you can set the featured image, but you can also do that as you're adding the image to the post. That's actually the easier way, but if you want to put one that's not in the post as your featured image, you can do it right here. Once you save all your changes, you would just click Update. And once the page loads, you'll see up here, Post Updated, View Post. So you could view it and see any changes that you made to the post. Now back to actually making a new post. You would click Add New. Up here you put in your new title. And then once you click here, you'll see that your permalink shows up here. It'll have your web address, and then the permalink structure, which right now is set to year, month, day, and post title. You can always edit that right here. It'll only let you edit the post title though, because the rest is set elsewhere and is the same across all sites on worldblogosphere.com. Now down here, you'll see all these little buttons here. You can bold your text, you can make it in italics, you can add a link to your post, or if you click the visual tag, you'll see all of these buttons. A lot of them are recognizable, some of them aren't. If you just hover over it, it'll tell you what it does. This one here, for instance, you can paste in from Microsoft Word, and it will keep all the formatting. You can poke around on these buttons and just see what they do to get a feel for exactly what they are. This is the basic setup that you will have when your blog is initially created. We can go in and edit it to add other things like table icons, which will make adding tables into your posts very easy if that's something that you might be interested in. Now, right now you'll see that the post status is in draft mode because you haven't published yet. The visibility is public. If you click edit, you can change it to password protected, private, or you can stick it to the top of your home page. Right now I'll just leave it as public. Under the draft status, you can also click pending review, and once you publish it, you can choose published if you were to go in and change it. Let me put that back to draft. Then down here you can publish immediately, or you can set it to post at a later date. That's basically self-explanatory here as far as setting the date and time. Once you choose your date and time, you click OK, and you're ready to go do your actual post. Now if you're just putting in some text here, I'm gonna just copy the same words. Let's make this a little easier. See, there's my body, the body of my post. Now say that I wanted to put an image in on the next line. I would, wherever my cursor is where the image is going to go. So then if you click here, you can add media. The browser upload is much easier. If you choose an image, I'll just choose that one real quick. You double click on it, and then you click upload. Once it's uploaded, it will show the picture. You can hide this form here. And if you scroll down, here's the title of the picture. You can actually copy that in as the alternate text and the description if you want. You can add a caption. And then down below you have some more settings. If you want your text to wrap around your image, you can select left or right and it'll wrap around, or you can center it. That's what I'm going to do. If you choose none, it's basically your text won't wrap, but the image will just sit to the right. Now you can choose the size. You can do a thumbnail 150 by 150, medium size 300 by 127, or full size 700 by 298 pixels. That's kind of big, so I'm going to stick with the medium. Now this is where you can set your featured image if you'd like. You just click that, wait for it to save, and then it's done. Now you also need to insert it into your post if you want it in the post. So just click there, and it automatically goes in there, and you can see the caption right there. And then if you just return once, you can continue typing again to add more text to your post. Once you're done, you select your categories over here. This is my default category, so I'm going to choose that. Every post on my blog will go into this category. This makes it easier for us to feed it into the worldblogosphere.com homepage. Down here, you can add in your tags. I'm just going to put those two tags there. You separate them by a comma and a space. You can also click here and it will give you your most used tags if you want to try and use a shortcut there. And you just click add. They'll show up down here like I said, and you can delete them right here like this by clicking the little red X. You can see it's the featured image because we did that as we loaded the image in. And now if we click publish, it will work for a minute. Now up here you'll see post published, view post. I'll open a new tab, and there's the new post, just the way that we set it up. And it's as easy as that. If you have any questions about posting, just drop us an email at admin@worldblogosphere.com. Thank you and have a good day.